If you are new to Canva and want to reduce the size of your files, you are in the right place. Whether you are trying to make your website faster or save space on your computer, keeping your image sizes small is a smart move. But here is the issue. This feature is only available if you are using Canva Pro. So, if you are using the free version, you can still try it out this feature without paying anything. Just sign up for the trial and you are good to go. Once you are in Canva Pro, reducing file size is simple. Start by opening your project. Go to the Photos tab and drag a photo into your design. Let's say you are adding a cute dog photo. Once the photo is in a place, click on the Share button at the top of the page and choose Download. You will see an option to pick the file type. Select JPEG if you want a smaller file. JPEGs are perfect for web use and work well when you don't need a transparent background. Now, below the file type, you will notice a quality slider. This slider controls how big or small your file will be. Move it to the left to lower the quality and reduce the file size. If you leave it at 100%, the quality stays high, but the file will be large. Sliding it to around 80% is usually enough for blog posts and social media, where fast loading is important. Fast loading pages matter. Large images slows down websites and that makes visitors leave. People don't like to wait 10 seconds for a page to load. Plus, slow websites rank lower in search engines, which means fewer people will find your site. That's why using smaller image files is so important. Now, if you prefer using PNG files because they offer better quality and support transparent backgrounds, there is still a way to reduce their size. When choosing PNG as your file type, look for the option that says Compress File. Tick that box. Canva will then reduce the file size without completely ruining the quality. This is helpful for things like logos or images where transparency is needed. Still unsure whether to use JPEG or PNG? If you want the smallest possible file size, JPEG is your best bet. PNG files are bigger even when compressed, but if your design needs to stay sharp or you need a clear background, then PNG might be worth the extra space. There is also a tip for those who need very high quality prints. If your focus is not file size but the best possible quality, go for the PDF print option. This gives you the clearest version. And if later you need that file in PNG or JPEG format, you can convert it using another tool. So that's the basic idea. Use JPEG and slide down the quality bar to shrink file size. Use PNG with compression when needed. And always think about where your image will end up, on a blog, a website, or a printed flyer. That way, you make the right choice every time.